Good afternoon, YouTube. Here's Nick from Meticulous Motors again, and here for sale today we have this beautiful one-owner 2004 Toyota Sequoia Limited two-wheel drive. It's absolutely gorgeous. This original owner kept really good care of it. Has new Michelin tires all the way around. Rain guards, tinted windows, the front bug shield that's body color matching. Comes with upgraded HID aftermarket headlights as well as fog lights. And ever reliable 4.7 V8 engine, has a cold air intake, but also just at a first glance looks like all brand new ignition coils, more than likely spark plugs, looks like a new battery. Unsure about the timing belt, but definitely runs and drives beautifully. And as you can see there, the nice body color matching bug shield, the headlights are nice and clean and clear. They're brand new depots all the way across the board. And then we get alloy wheels, mud guards, running boards. Comes with a power radio antenna, four-wheel disc brakes, and the radio antenna does work. The power side folding mirrors work on the driver's side. This one you can hear the motor running, but it doesn't actuate it in. So it's got higher miles, so I mean there's going to be a few little minor things that we'll go over for transparency throughout the video. But comes with a very, very clean full leather interior, smoke and pet free. Comes with a JBL sound system, automatic windows for the front driver and passenger side. All power options including windows, locks, mirrors, seats, sunroof. And this seat's still in good condition up under the wrap. Just some cracking on the leather, not like splitting, but just leather wear. And then it comes with the original owner's manual. Nice clean dashboard. AC is ice cold in this one. The driver's seat does have actual leather damage on it, so the seat covers are there. They do match steering wheel, so they do look good in the vehicle, so it's kind of a good accessory. But comes with to hold change storage, nice center console armrest, dual cup holders. Also comes with the power side view mirror switch here, and then the power side folding mirrors switch there. Dual heated front seats, keyless entry, dual charging ports, cup holders, ashtray, cigarette lighter, and it also has a traction control system, ice cold AC, all your AC controls down here below, and then you can control the rear AC to give them full control of the rear. And then CD player, AM FM stereo, and cassette deck, which is really nice because then you can integrate auxiliary connectivity from that. Up top we have an auto dimming rear view mirror. We get a compass, and home link, and our map lighting all up top, so tons of features up top here. And then that's our sunroof control switches there. We get dual illuminated vanity mirrors, driver and passenger side, as well as side curtain airbags, so plenty of safety throughout. And then this nice brushed nickel vanity plates across all the power window switches. Comes with body side moldings that protects against dings and dents, so overall the whole vehicle is very, very clean, especially on the body side throughout. I mean, for being almost 20 years old and having close to 200,000 miles, it's very, very nice. So as you can see, it comes with third row seating, all rear air conditioning throughout, all the way back. The headliner is really nice. As you can see, those body side moldings there protect the doors. Limited. All those new Michelins, just a small scratch here on the corner bumper. Comes with towing package, as you can see down there, and then rear trunk mat, and these seats do fold down and up, so you can get some extra storage there, or you can just remove them entirely. But it comes powered with the iForce V8, as we can see down there in the lower corner. And then we get a rear windshield wiper, third brake light, and spoiler. We also get roof racks. The rear window, however, is not working, this rear window. So that one does retract up and down, but it is not functioning. So we'll add that to the list. So the power side view mirror folding on the passenger side, as well as the rear window, does not operate. So just those two things for our cosmetics for age and mileage. But power windows, locks, and then of course the mirrors were over there. This is the control switch to activate that rear window in the back. Our interior illumination switch, tilt wheel, And then we also get automatic headlights, fog lights, and front and rear interval wipers. Very clean leather wrap steering wheel, no problems on this. It's just there to probably match the seat wheel cover or the seat covers from the original owner. But we get full 8-way power seats with the lumbar, and then here's our fuel door release, hood release, and emergency brake. And on the steering wheel, we get mounted a cruise control switch, and we get the volume and stereo control knobs. Tweeter speakers for very good JBL sound. And it fires right up, no warning lights on the dash. The lovely day before tire pressure warning systems, so we don't see, of course, that light on, but everything works, all the gauges work properly, oil pressure. So as we rev up, you see the oil pressure climb, good oil pressure there. 196,000 original one owner miles. We get battery voltage on this side, fuel and coolant. And then as you can hear, the stereo.
Together, we will break the stigma and increase awareness.
Sounds excellent, and it's better to use the steering wheel, of course, because this one has the volume knob that has a mind of its own. They all did that, so that's very common. But our auto dimming rear view mirrors functioning properly, and then our compass and outside temperature is working flawlessly as well. The original owner upgraded the LED lights throughout the interior cabin on the exterior, so it has all LEDs. And this is one beautiful Toyota Sequoia. Tell me you can find a cleaner one for this kind of money. This is a beautiful 2004 Toyota Sequoia, one previous owner, no reported accidents. Michelin tires, ready to go, super clean. You're basically stepping into a time capsule of 2004, with the exception of the driver's seat, power side folding mirror, passenger side, and rear window. This one is ready to go. Total turnkey, ride drive, it runs beautifully. I put this up against most of the other SUVs we have that are 2015 and up. I mean, it rides great. So if you're looking for one of these are very reliable, very good price. Look no further than this 2004 Toyota Sequoia Limited. You can find this beautiful Sequoia exclusively on our website, meticulousmotorsinc.com. Please rate and subscribe to our YouTube channel, like or comment on any of our videos, because your feedback is much appreciated. I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video today, and we will see you next time.